Okay. We'll do it with a bigger number this time. So let's say this time we take a number, say 108. Is this a decimal number? Is
Yes,
this
sir.
a decimal number? Yes.
Sir.
So we'll convert it into the binary number. Okay. How we will do? We will do continuous division. That is 108 divided by 2. This becomes 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are
54.
8, 54. No remainder, so 0 remainder. Okay. Then we will divide again. This brings you 27. Again, you have remainder 0. Who is this continuously signing out? Aditya Kumar, late. Always late. Okay. Then you have 27. 2 13s are 26. So you have remainder 1. Okay. Then again 2 6 are 12. You have remainder 1. Then 2 3s are 6. Remainder 0. Then you have 2 1s are 2. Remainder 1. And then 2 zeros are 0. Remainder 1.
1.
So from down to up, we will arrange the numbers starting from 0. Then you have 1. Then you have 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay. This 0 is unnecessary. So cut the 0. So this becomes your binary number
11011.
110100. So this number becomes what? The binary number of 108. Okay. So now I will give you a question. Let me see how fast you can do. Okay. The next question is, let's say 99. Do it fast. Let me see how fast you can do. How fast you can do. 99.
4 9s are 18. Remainder बचा 1. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. Oh no. 2 3s are 6.
Don't rush. Do
अरे यार
Remainder 1. Remainder 0. Remainder 0. 3 remainder 0. 2 1s are 2. Remainder 1. 2 remainder.
Sir, got the answer.
Okay.
Got the answer. 110011.
Okay.
010011.
Okay. Let's see.
0011.
Let's see. Let's see. Okay. So 99 was the number. So let's divide it. 99 divided by 2. You get 47, 48, 49. 49.
49.
Remainder 1. Then you have 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. So remainder 1. Then 2 12s are 24. Remainder 0. Then you have 2 6 are 12. Remainder 0. Then you have 2 3s are 6. Remainder 0. Then you have 2 1s are 2. Remainder 1. Then you have 2. Remainder 2 zeros are 0. Remainder 1. Okay. So 1 1 0 0 0 1 1. Is this the answer? Is this the
Yes,
answer?
sir.
110011. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir. This is the answer.
okay. Now look this process. Now we will discuss the reverse process. Okay. What is reverse process? The reverse process is that we will have binary number. Okay. We will have binary number, and from there we have to come to decimal number. What is the binary number? Binary number is base 2 and decimal number is base 10. Okay. Now, if you remember, I discussed CDM. What is CDM? Continuous division method.
Division method.
This will be continuous multiplication method. CMM. CMM represent continuous multiplication method. Okay. For that case, I will show you an example. Okay. How it will be done. Okay. We take a small number. Okay. Let's say 1, 0, 1. Okay. We are taking a very small number. Okay. Now we will see that in the decimal system, what is the number? Okay. What number do appears if I convert this number into decimal number? That is, I will get binary number and I will convert into decimal number. Okay. Now see how we have to do. This 101 we will write separately. 1, 0, and 1. Okay. We will write separately. This is step number 1. Okay. Step number 2. Okay. This one is the right hand side one and this one is the leftmost side one. Okay. We will write how the right hand side will have the smallest power. So we will write 2 to the power 0. Under 0 we will write 2 to the power 1. And out here we will write 2 to the power 2. That means we will count from right hand side. The right hand side value will have the lowest power and to the leftmost value they will have the highest power. Okay. Have you all written?
Yes, sir.
2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power. Now we will perform multiplication. Okay. 2 to the power 0 is 2 to the power 0 is how much?
2.
2 to the power 0 is how much? Always remember, if x
0.
if x is any number, okay,
0.
listen to me. If x is any number to the power 0 is equal to 1.
0.
1. Any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. So 2 to the power 0 is how much?
1.
So 1 into 1 is how much?
Sir, 1.
1. Okay. Then 2 to the power 1 is how much?
2.
Okay. So 2 into 0 is how much?
0.
0. 2 to the power 2 is how much?
4.
4 into 1 is how much?
4.
4. Okay. Done?
So 401.
No. Now we will add the results. So 4 plus 0 plus 1 is how much?
5.
5. 5 is the answer. That is in decimal number system.
Sir, there is no shortcut.
No, sir. There is no shortcut. Okay. So 101, if you write in binary in decimal number system, it means 5. Now, how will I understand whether my answer is correct or not? Okay. I will do what? I will do reverse process. I will convert. This is my rough work. So 5 is the number. I will convert it into binary to see whether this result come or not. Okay. So 2 2s are 4. Result is 1. 2 1s are 2. remainder 0. Then 2 zeros are 0, remainder 1.
101. Sir, correct.
So
Sir,
if
correct.
so if I arrange this 0, 1, 0, 1, this 0 is unnecessary. So that means 101 can be written in the decimal number form, that is 5. Clear?
Sir, give us. Sir, give us.
Okay. So I'm giving you another question. Okay. Do it. 1, 1, 0. Let me see how well you can do it. 1, 1, 0.
Power 0. Power 2. 1, 2. It is 1. 1 is 2 to
You will write how 1, 1, and 0. This will be 2 to the power 0.
7.
This will
7.
be 2 to the power 1.
7. 7.
Let's see.
Sir, it will be 7.
Sir, 7.
Sir, why am I feeling it will be 6?
No, sir. Sir, 7. Correct. Sir,
Okay.
7.
2 square is how much?
4.
4 into 1?
4.
Good. 2 to the power 1 is how much?
2.
6.
Sir, 6 is the answer.
6 answer.
Sir,
6 is the answer.
2 to the
sir,
power
2
0
zeros
is?
are 1. 1. 1.
Or 1 into 0?
1.
1 into 0 is 1.
0, 0, 0.
Sir, sorry, sir. 0, sir. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. 0. 6, 6, 6, 6. Sir, 6 is the answer.
6
Sir,
is the
6 is the
answer.
answer.
Okay. Very good. So, shall we try with a bigger number this time?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
So, to see the bigger number, write this one. 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Convert this into decimal number. 1, 0, 0, 1, and 1. This will be 2 to the power 0. This becomes 2 to the power 1. Okay, this becomes 2 to the power 2. This becomes 2 to the power 3. This becomes 2 to the power 4. Okay, perform multiplication. Okay, let's perform the multiplication. This becomes
Sir, 19.
1. This becomes 2. This becomes 0. This becomes 0. And this becomes 2 to the power 4, 16. Okay, so let's sum it up. It gives you 19. 19 is the correct answer.
Yes, sir. 19.
19
Yes, sir,
is 19 is the
Correct answer.
correct answer. So you all understood? Okay, now one question you will do decimal to binary, and one question you will do it binary to decimal. Okay, you can understand from the question, don't worry. Let's do this. Okay, this is the last question of the day. Okay, you have 53 in the decimal number, converted into binary number, and you have let's say 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, this is in the binary number, convert it into decimal.
2 6 are 2 1, 2 3 are 0, 2 1 are 2, 1 1, 2 zeros are 0 1, 1 1,
Number 1
0, 0 1. So first one answer is 1 1 0 1 0 1.
1 1 110101. I don't think so.
Yes, sir.
I don't think so. Okay, let's see. 53. This give you 26. You have remainder 1. 13. You have 0.
क्या हुआ?
2 6 12. Then you have remainder 1. 2 3s are 6. Remainder 0. 2 1s are 2. Remainder 1. So your first answer is 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. This is the answer.
Sir, I said the first answer.
Okay.
First I completed.
Okay. Now tell me the next one.
15 is the answer. The 15
Yes,
is the
right answer. The next answer is 15. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I hope you all understood, everyone.
So what is second number answer?
15. So now I would request all of you to create your account in the Google Classroom so that I can send you all the study materials and your homework so that you can practice all these kind of questions. Okay. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Sir.
Okay then. Today we conclude the class. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.